Hey, how are you guys doing? Good morning here on my side of the world. Once again, this is Mel. Just hopping on here to say my day 9 of the 90-day business run. How are you guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in from. Today, the topic that I wanted to share with you is what is luxurious life mean to you? To me, it's different. I'm not into really fashionable bags. To me, a truly luxurious life is one where every moment is filled with richness, it's filled with joy. You are present, that is beyond material wealth. To me, it is where I don't have to wake up in an alarm clock, and I just want to get up slowly, get my coffee, be on the sun, sit on my deck, and it's really where you can just relax and gradually waking you into the day. That is for me where you can listen to the birds, the songs of the birds, and where you can just feel the warmth of the sunrise. That is to me where I can start my day even with a book and just my coffee and a book, and just checking in with my kids wherever they are assigned. That is to me is a luxurious life. Of course, after waking up gradually, I wanted to start my day by um, going on my routine walk or my run, and then meditating and getting to my grateful thanksgiving for the day. That is my to me is a beautiful luxury. To me, that is why I'm doing what I'm doing right now, because of that vision in mind. I wanted to have that cottage by the lake so that I can do that. Have my coffee, the smell of the aroma of my coffee, just sitting in on my deck without waking up to an alarm clock to go to work, to hurry up and go to work. To me, that is really my favorite luxurious day. That is why I'm always sharing this to everyone, to all my friends, to all the moms out there, that this is the way, that we know, even though we are working, that we have an option in the future, in the days to come. We know that there is always an option. Life has always options. Our decisions, our the things that we do, the things that we did not do, we are always responsible to the result of it. So I'd rather do things, I'd rather try and strive for it and work for it, have consistency, than thinking in the future, oh, what if I started that? Oh, I don't want to regret everything. So that is why I'm here. I'm doing this day 9 of my 90-day run. This is for everyone. This is for moms. This is for parents. This is for you guys who are working. I'm still working the hospital. But the good thing is, I am not doing three jobs anymore. Before, I have one full time and I go to my two part time jobs after. That is really hard work. I thought that is the best thing that I can do. But now I realize there are a lot of options out there. The internet is giving us options. It's a new day, it's a new world. We have our options. So I hope you guys can get a little bit of nuggets of this. Once again, this is Mel. I'm sharing you. We have a free workshop tonight. If you want to get a link, just message me or go to my website www.glenmeldelusreyes.com, and if you put your name and email on it, you can receive a link to that workshop. That's all for me. Bye everybody. God bless.